Hey there, folks. I'm at the Lumberton Emergency Response Celebration Night at the Municipal Park. Let me give you a shot where I'm at. I'm about to walk up to the emergency helicopter they have here. Check us out.
Those are lights, yep. We got lights up there. These are lights here. We got a little light there. Well, we're flying at nighttime and it's really dark. There's no street lights.
Like I said, this is the emergency chopper.
Ready? Big step, big jump. Good job.
There's their cargo area
Big step, big jump. Wow.
right in there.
You okay? Good job.
Emergency equipment.
You gotta get in the other side.
I was gonna say they're making a line over here so you can hop in and hop out this way.
Yep, you know it. Right in the front.
No, you don't want to? Yeah, this is
Introduce
helicopter.
yourself, please.
Oh, my name is Shane Bierman. I'm one of the flight nurses here at Cooper. Tonight we're in 137 Mike Hotel. It's Cooper 2 out of the Flying W Airport in Lumberton. It's an EC 135, similar to Cooper 1, which is down in Millville Airport. They're both spec'd out exactly the same. We fly with a nurse, a medic, and a pilot. And we're capable of doing everything from trauma to strokes to medical patients, mechanical assist devices, just about anything you can think of. We do a mix of 911 calls. We do a mix of interfacility from one hospital to another. And we're on call 24/7, 365.
And this event is based on?
That is a good question. What is this event based on?
I'm going to pause it.
It depends on the weather, and it also depends on the time of year. So summertime's a lot busier for 911 calls because everybody's out doing stuff. I'd say we're good for about a flight a shift on average. Some nights we don't do anything. Some days we do 3, 4, 5 flights between day shift and night shift. But yeah, it gets pretty busy during the summer.
How many would typically be on the chopper at the same
We
one
run
time?
with a crew of 3 typically, but we do have an EMS fellowship through the hospital. So sometimes we'll have one of the EMS fellows, a physician that flies along, and they can operate with things inside their scope, kind of expanding what we're able to do.
What would be your typical radius? How far would you go within Cooper, let's say?
We do tend to travel within the tri-state area. For 911, it's based off the state REMS dispatch, so whichever aircraft is closest would respond for a 911 call. For a hospital transfer, it pretty much comes down to, is the patient a Cooper patient and they're at an outside hospital because they're on vacation or traveling, or do they need to come to Cooper for a specialty service that's not available anywhere else? We've traveled as far as Maryland, deep into Pennsylvania, Delaware to come back to Cooper, but we also do mutual aid for North Jersey, the surrounding states and the hospital systems.
I guess and conditions too.
And it depends on the conditions as well.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
This is awesome.
Thank you.
Appreciate the tutorial. Let's put it that way.
Yeah, absolutely.
Let me get a closer look at the equipment aboard. That one that I'm looking at now is
That is our Hamilton T1 transport ventilator.
Oh wow.
We have all of our medication infusion pumps hanging on the wall, on the window there.
Help them get air.
Yep. All right, so we were here.
We
Let someone else
have
have a turn, okay?
bags of equipment that are secured on that side wall. The red bag that you're looking at now is our whole blood that we carry now, that we can give to patients who are low blood pressure from blood loss, most likely trauma patients, but we can give them in different medical circumstances as well. And the rest of our equipment is secured on the stretcher that's out the back of the aircraft. We plug our helmet communications into the Carter boxes up top so that we can talk not only with our pilot and each other in the aircraft, but with all the different radio frequencies that we communicate with on every flight. And our radio system is into the bulkhead
You can just chill and get out.
where the stretcher would sit.
I was like, oh. Yeah. Okay. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Come on up.
And in our style aircraft, our stretcher comes in and out through that back tunnel that you were just looking at through the clamshell doors.
I want to get a.
Come on, you want to
Okay,
come on up? You want to hop
they
in?
let me take a video of the cockpit here.
All right. Ready? Ready, that one? Turn this way. There you go. Oh, I did. I swung by real quick. I ate the rest of that. I did it.
You gotta be little. I know. You gotta be little.
Is there a camera up front?
There is an iris camera.
Hey, camera for what? For outside or inside?
Outside.
No,
Not
no
for outside, oh no.
Oh, no?
No, just to watch us inside.
Feed to the operations center. If there's any issues.
Hang on, let me see if my boss can take over for a hot second. Can you guard the door here for a minute for me? Henry wants to see the helicopter too.
Alright, guys. Got it?
There's some of their equipment for when they hit the emergency spot. And there's their, you can put everything in their loading area. Extinguisher. That was pretty awesome what he did. He gave me a total review on this, how it works, where it works, when it works. Pretty awesome. I gotta think about choppers. Oh. Hold on. Oh, we got some horses here tonight.
Watch your back, guys. Watch your head. Watch your head.
You guys are going on my YouTube channel.
There you go. Thank you.
Mickey B 2091.
Turn them, or are they alright? Yeah, you're good, dude.
It's a horse. Don't worry about it.
I'm telling you. Better than ours.
Are the horses used as units like in Lumberton? Do you got no?
State, so we go everywhere.
Oh, your state.
Yeah.
Oh, says
All over. We use them in MetLife, field searches, crowd management, Wildwood. They've been down in Wildwood to help with the boardwalk.
oh.
Crowds on the beach.